data, right? One is what? Structured. Structured in the sense well formatted, like SQL. Correct? Are you understanding the structured data? Everything is in a table form, rows and columns you have in your database, right?
Yes, yes.
That is called it as a structural data. Then when you coming into the unstructured data in the sense, for example, I will tell you example, your audio, your YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, in a YouTube, audio, video, multimedia kind of data, audio, video, and some 3D. There are all the data, right? But they are not in a specific format. Then those data are called it as a unstructured data. That is clear. Now, third kind of data is a semi-structured. Semi-structured in the sense the data that you are going to extracting from the website.
Okay.
They are all called it as a semi-structured. Fine. You just whatever the web page is there, the web page you save that, right click and you save it. It will store it in HTML, .html, .php, .xml data, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
They are all called it as a semi-structured data.
How do you define the semi-structured data again?
See, audio, unstructured data in the sense all multimedia. Multimedia in the sense audio, video, text. See,
Okay.
best example is your YouTube, man. YouTube is consisting is what? Audio is there, video is there, some text is also there, correct?
Yeah.
Either in a local languages like in your Philippines, in your India, we have some 27 languages. So they are all called it as a unstructured data, right?
Okay, okay. So it's a combination of several languages.
That not languages, multimedia.
So unstructured data is limited to multimedia.
Yeah. Unstructured data are called it. Multimedia data are called it as a unstructured data.
Okay. Okay. So are there unstructured data that are not multimedia?
No, man, not like that. See, your YouTube data is there. Your YouTube, you're opening the YouTube, right?
Yeah.
What is that? It is a data, man.
Yes, it is a data.
But the data is what? Having audio is there, right? You're listening some music and all, correct?
Yes.
Video is there. Some images are there, right?
Yes, yes.
Now that image is what? Again, it is a data. That is what in the beginning I told you. Everything, anything is data. Whether it is audio, whether it is video, whether it is a text, or whether what I am talking somewhere it is recording, it is a data.
Yes, it is. It is.
Correct? What I am
Yes.
talking to you, it is a data. I'm keep on telling you some information. I'm providing you some information to you. It is a data. But data, whether what I'm talking to you, you are talking to me, is it in a structured format? No. It is an audio.
Okay.
It's an audio, right? I'm talking to you. We both are communicating each other. We are in a conversation. This conversation is, they are doing, these people, they are service provider, they are recording. Then what kind of data it is? It's an audio, right?
Yeah.
Then it is unstructured. It is not in a table form. Simply it is a flow of English.
Okay, now I get it.
You got it? Yeah, very good. You ask doubts, man. You make it a clear. At the end of the day, you should know. Okay. Best example is your YouTube, right?
Yeah.
You are using a YouTube, correct?
Yes.
YouTube is consisting is what? Audio is there, right? You are watching
Yeah.
some movie, you are watching somebody's lecturing, you are watching some news channel in your Philippines, in your country, some kind of something you're watching, right? There are three things are there. One is what? Audio is there, video is there, right? Somewhere you have some translation is also going on. Some that is what called it as a multimedia data. In the sense, it consisting of audio, video, some text. Images are there, videos in the sense what? Images are there. Those are all the data. Those data are called it as a unstructured data.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, from the image you will try to extracting some kind of information, right? Okay, that is what extracting, that is you are going to get some analysis you will go to perform by using the some images. So say healthcare, they will analyze your MRI report, they will analyze your heartbeats, then they will come to know that whether his patient is suffering from heart attack or not. How they will going to say? They analyze the what to say reports, that is called it as a unstructured data. Okay, now that is what. Next is what? Data science is related to what? Data mining, machine learning, and what? Big data. There are three buzzwords are there. Data mining. Mining means what? Digging. Correct?
Yes.
You are digging into the data to get an appropriate, accurate results, performance, right? That is what data mining. You have so much of data, you are going to what you are digging into the data so that you need some accurate result. That is what data mining. Okay, next one is what is this machine learning? Everything human you cannot do it. You are taking a help of your system, you are using some software to make a prediction of your e-commerce, right? How many users will going to use, our customers will going to buy this product. Okay, that is what a machine will try to predict. It will give the some output. That is what the machine learning. We are not human being. We'll try to give the data to the machine. Machine will predict. It will give the answer and it will helps you to in the decision. That is what machine will learn. Machine learning. Machine will learning from the past data. With the help of the past data, it will try to give some answer, some decision. It will helps you in taking some decision. That is what machine learning.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
And another one is a big data. Big data in the sense quantity of a data is huge. Now we are not using kilobytes of data or megabytes of data, or we are not in an era of terabytes. We are in a zettabytes of data. Yeah, hello. Big data in the sense here the quantity of a data is huge. Say you are what to say any production, say for example healthcare, they will generate a huge quantity of data. That is what the big data. Now your RDBMS, your SQL will not support that kind of data, then you need a something else to handle this huge quantity of data. That is what the big data. Say Hadoop, Spark, HBase, they are all supporting this big data.
So SQL can support big
No,
data.
no. SQL will not support the big data. You need a Hadoop, MapReducer, Spark, because say,
Okay.
data is not in MB or what to say terabytes of data. Data is in zettabytes of data, 10 to the power of 12. So what
Oh,
happens if you take it into SQL, the system will become slow. You cannot take the data. That is, you cannot take a decision at the right time.
it's unrealistic to use the SQL, to use SQL to handle big data. For example, in e-commerce,
Ah,
please correct me. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
ah,
Um, for example, in e-commerce, we have so many tables relating to each other. So
ah,
I considered SQL as their way of managing data, but apparently they're not using it because every day they get billions of data for every
ah,
move of, yeah, for every
yeah,
move of a customer, for every
yeah.
order.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what program they're using. What is
They're
mostly used?
they are using, of course, they have to use Spark. Big data can be handled by using the Spark MapReducer, Hadoop. Hadoop is one of the technology that handles your big data. Spark is there, SPARK, Spark, Hadoop.
So they're the main language. They're the main uh, database systems,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
what? Yeah.
They are the other, apart from SQL, for handling a big data, they are using a Hadoop technology. It's a technology tool, Hadoop, and that is Spark.